Cut the chicken fillets in half from the middle. Mix them with the soaked saffron, chicken spices, chopped onion, and half the lemon juice. Let them rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour to marinate. Prepare the orange peel by thinly slicing it into strips. Boil it 3 times in cold water, drain, then sauté with some butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of saffron. Soak all the flakes in rose water for half an hour. Also, soak the barberries and raisins separately for half an hour. Sauté each of them in butter separately and set aside. Sauté the dried apricots with a little butter as well. Parboil the rice with a little salt and water. Drain the rice. Place the potatoes in the bottom of a pot with some saffron and oil. Then pour the rice over them and add half a cup of boiling water. Steam on low heat for 30 minutes. Wrap the chicken fillets in a spiral shape and secure them with toothpicks. Sauté them on both sides with a mixture of butter and oil until they turn golden brown. Transfer the rice to a serving dish and garnish with the sautéed chicken, barberries, raisins, flakes, and dried apricots. Enjoy your meal.